we have adopted some new safety habits to fight coronavirus. But do you know that we can follow these habits even while making investments? Let's see how. Before starting your investment, don't forget to wear 3-layer safety mask of term plan, mediclaim and emergency fund. Increase your portfolio's immunity by doing proper asset allocation based on your age, risk profile and investment horizon. Sanitize your portfolio regularly by reviewing and rebalancing it on a regular basis. Maintain social distancing by systematically investing your investments through SIP and STP route. Whenever you feel stressed because of market volatility, contact your family doctor, that is, your financial advisor. And lastly, whether it is lockdown or no lockdown, prefer online paperless investment through Funds Bazaar. Contact us today if you don't have a Funds Bazaar account.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.